happening, my fellow boys and girls, fans of the American Motor Boys? Today we are doing our regular crap, you know what I mean? You know, I guess that's regular. So we're just riding down the track, I think. So I'm just gonna hop on this right down there. Won't be too far of a ride. Whoa, that sounds pleasant. Wow, that was sucky shit. I've been losing all my Z's all day. Bad company, bad for your companies. No, Wyatt, okay. We're gonna plan this out, okay? You are not going to go this way. Hey, okay. You're not gonna go that way. You're not gonna go that way, because that's a bad idea. You're gonna go straight. And I'll be from this side. So I'm gonna be here, Wyatt. Don't run into me. Go that way. If he runs into me, I will kill him. Oh! Alright, so quick information on Wyatt. He broke his ankle about a few months ago. Coming this exact same direction.
About what?
About a few months ago.
That was about a month.
Yeah, about a month ago. There was a dirt pile over there. That's now been removed. He ran... Illegal. He ran into it and crushed his ankle. Now, we did not get that on video because the GoPros were dead, because we're smart. But that was like OG Motor Boys. Alright, so here comes the master himself. Gang, YouTube.com. We're back here again. I wonder what's I can put on top of that. I'm gonna repeat that, Connor. We're gonna make that into another dancing thing, Connor. I'm gonna make that. Just gonna wait for him here. There we go. Connor from iPhone 10. Top. See that?
Connor had GoPro. On this version of Evan teaching Connor how to use his phone, slow motion video.
Very nice. Stay healthy with body armor. Superior hydration. Bad companies, bad for your company. Or it's the other way around.
Bad company, bad for you.
Yeah, I know. Here's Wyatt.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. So guys, in case you guys can't tell, the stuff is drained a little bit, especially that. But yeah. You don't even need to go that fast on this jump. That's a terrible idea. That's a terrible idea. Yeah. Oh my God! Now you have to do it! Ha ha ha! Go faster! No! Wrong way. All right, I don't know how many videos or outros this video will be for, but it's gonna be like maybe 2 outros and they're gonna be exactly the same. But hope you guys have a fantastic day, because I'm not. Because I gotta go do homework and stuff.
That's a depression outro.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Wyatt's cleaning off his bike because it got a little muddy. So yeah, he's pretty thick. All right, Motor Boy is signing off with. Is that Daxton? Hi, Daxton. But yeah, we'll be.
Y'all want stickers?
Yeah, we go on the website and get some. Oh my God, get some stickers.
You can't go on the website.
Why?
The website hasn't been updated for like years.
No one cares. Go on the website. Link in the description.
Can't buy anything.
That's why they contact us.
When do we ever check the email? All the time.
Always.
When
I did.
My phone, at least.
Yeah, it's on my phone too. I get notifications. But yeah, contact us and stuff for stickers. So yeah, peace out. Bye.